Hello, guys. Welcome to Accessorize Your Life. I'm Julia and I'm cooking. I'm going to make a quick recipe using cod fillets and this pesto sauce I get from Aldi's. Normally, I make my own sauce with sun dried tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and breadcrumbs and salt and pepper. But today, I'm doing a shortcut method and it works and it tastes delicious. So I'm laying down the breadcrumbs now and the olive oil goes on next, and I'm going to use my instant oven, and it's going to be a breeze without heating up the house. I love this recipe. Tell me down in the comments if you try it. I want to show you this fish 5 minutes into cooking at 350 degrees in this oven. I love this oven for summer especially, but look at that fish. That cod is looking good, and it doesn't look as if it needs to cook too much longer. Actually, it's probably done, but I want to make sure the middle is done, so I'm going to give it a little more time. Just shut the door and it starts back up.